Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word 50s. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. My grandparents met in the 50s and have been married for over 60 years. 50s refers to the decade of the 1950s, a period marked by economic prosperity, cultural change, and technological advancements in the United States. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.